tracing lines with fingertips. I saw the signs within these strips, and through the fog between the frames of dialogue I saw my name, and now I know where I must go to show you that I love you so. So I brought books for you to sign, and I brought shears to cut your phone line. Don't you know I think you're the cat's meow? Where's the tiger now? Where's the tiger now? Bill Watterson, can't you hear me? Bill Watterson, please don't fear me. Don't stare at me from your window. I know you wanna let me in though. You want me to show how much I believe and prove how far I'll go to meet you through thunderstorms and snow. Well, I would do anything, and oh, I happen to know the reason you're hiding from publicity. It's not out of eccentricity, but rather for privacy. When you I'll be complete. I'll shake your hand and kiss your feet, confess my love and buy you flowers, and eat your heart and absorb your powers. Don't you know I think you're the cat's meow?